东西北的那个鸟瞰图，你看这个现在照不照？有没有鸟瞰图？我们分享分享。
Alrighty, what we have here is what's called a flow stone. This is called a flow stone with a bunch of little rimstone pools around it. And depending on how much rain we get, these rimstone pools will fill up with water. As you can see, some of them are full and some are not. And as well as on the backside over here. We have cascading rimstone pools back here in the back, outside. That's pretty neat right there. If you will, just kind of walk back here and check it out. And as you come by, look at the seashells in the ceiling. You're more or less walking up under the beach.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. Seashells.
Yeah. Carriage.
Seashells. That's bacon. That's bacon. Bacon.
哦，这个看着挺好看的。
Yeah.
好好的找啊，别浪费。来来，蹲下蹲下。
Sí, ¿no?
Dang.
我跟 Michael 来说，这个挺好的。
就在这旁边就行了，再往旁边就行了。
在哪里？你的手。